Hello guys, in the last video we have seen implicit typecasting and its basic examples we have seen. Now in this video we are going to see explicit typecasting. What exactly the meaning of explicit typecasting? The process of converting data from higher data type to lower data type is called as explicit typecasting. The process of converting data from higher data type to lower data type is called as which one? Explicit typecasting. We know already which data type is a higher and which data type is a lower. Already we have seen implicit typecasting chart. There we have clarity on lower data type and higher data type. So if you are converting the data from higher data type to lower data type, then it is called as which one? You know, explicit typecasting. Fine. Good. To perform explicit typecasting, Java has provided a pattern. A separate pattern is provided here. Has provided the following pattern. What exactly this pattern here? Observe this clearly. P small a is equal to bracket Q and B semicolon. Here B variable of type higher type. Okay, fine. Where A variable of lower data type. Means that P is a data type, no, and P is a data type here. This is lower data type, and B variable type is available. Let's say for example some X, that X is which one? You know, higher data type. Good. Now here the condition is which one? Where the condition must be Q must be either same as P, or where Q must be either same as P or lower than P as per implicit typecasting chart. Already Java has provided chart. We know already. What is that chart now? Byte to short, short to int to long, long to float, float to double, char to int. As per this chart, which data type is lower and which data type is higher, here we are able to identify clearly. So here the mandatory condition is which one? Where Q must be either same as P or lower than P as per implicit typecasting chart. This is what exactly the meaning of which one? No, explicit typecasting. Right, sir. Now let us see this example here. How we are able to perform this explicit typecasting? How it is possible to perform this explicit typecasting here? No? Simply the point is which one? We have to assign higher data type variable to lower data type variable with the cast operator. With the cast operator, we have to assign higher data type variable to lower data type variable. I'll give simple examples here. Try to recognize these examples. No, I will give some shortcut also. This is as per the subject, as per the rule, but I want to give simple shortcuts for this. No, let's say for example, int I is equal to 10, byte B is equal to I semicolon. If I provide this, then what will happen here? Definitely here we are able to get compilation error. Why we are going to get compilation error here? Observe this clearly. If you observe this assignment statement, no. So compiler will check right side variable data type and left side variable data type. Compiler will check whether right side variable data type is compatible with the left side variable data type or not. If right side variable data type is not compatible with the left side variable data type, where compilation error here we are able to get. Here we are able to get compilation error. In this example, definitely we are able to get compilation error. Why we are getting compilation error? I variable type is which one? Integer. B variable type is which one? Byte. We are trying to assign directly integer data type to byte data type. Means that higher to lower. Good. So that's definitely here we are able to get compilation error. So to come out from this compilation error here, what we have to do? To come out from the compilation error here, what we have to do? Answer is very clear. Left side type is lower, right side type is higher. So what we have to do now? We have to balance both the data types. We have to balance both the data types in the sense, is it possible to increase left side variable data type? No. We are unable to do any manipulation at left side. We have to do manipulation at the right side only. What about this manipulation? Right side is already at a higher level. left side data type is lower level. So here what we have to do there, we don't have any other alternative, simply we have to down right side variable data type to which one they know, equivalent of the left side variable data type. Already left side is available, now this is right side. Here we have to down right side variable data type up to which one they know, left side variable data type. So to down right side variable data type up to left side variable data type, here we have to provide bracket and some x data type here we have to provide. Bracket some data type here we have to provide. Bracket data type at right side is called as which one? Cast operator. Bracket and some data type is called as which one? Cast operator. This cast operator here we have to provide. So here x must be which one here now? What is this x here now? Either same as left side variable data type or lower than left side variable data type. Either same as left side variable data type or lower than left side variable data type. Can you tell me what is the left side variable data type in this case here now? What we are getting here, byte is the left side variable data type. So definitely x must be either byte and lower than byte. Now tell me, do you have any lower than this byte data type? No. Do you have any lower than this byte data type? No. No. We are not having any data type which is lower than byte here. Byte is the lowest one. So because of that reason, here we have to provide which one here? No, byte data type. Now we are not going to get any compilation error. It's okay, fine. Now let me check the same point here in our system directly. For example, int I is equal to 10, byte b is equal to I. Definitely here we are able to get compilation error. Let me show this compilation error. I plus space b, here we are providing this. I space b, here we are providing this. Now let me run this example. Compilation error here we are able to get. Java C space test.java. Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from int to which one can know, byte. Possible lossy conversion from int type to which one can know, byte type. This is what exactly the meaning of error here we are getting there. It's okay, fine. Next one is which one then here what we have to do. If you want to come out from this compilation error, if you want to remove this compilation error, here we need to provide which one can know, right side data type must be down. We have to down right side variable data type up to which one can know, left side variable data type. To down right side variable data type, here we have to provide which one? Cast operator. Inside this cast operator here we have to provide some data type, x data type. It should be either same as left side variable data type or lower than left side variable data type. Left side variable data type is already byte. Right, max we are able to provide byte. Lower than byte in the sense no other data type is available. So it is not possible to specify anything lower than this byte here. Why? Because byte is the lowest data type. Lower than that lowest in the sense it is not possible here. That's why here we have to provide byte data type only. Now we are able to compile successfully and here we are able to get some output clearly. Right, sir. Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test, here we are getting output, here we are getting directly. Good, sir. Now this is a simple example for which one here, explicit typecasting. But here also what is going on when we compile this program and what is going on when we execute this program directly. We need to understand this point also now. Good, sir. If you want to compile this program, when we compile this program, compilation, compiler will perform some actions. Which actions are performed by compiler here now? And one more point I am telling there, here bracket byte data type I provided, bracket byte data type I provided at right side now. This is called as which one here? Cast operator. This is exactly called as which one? Cast operator. Now come for this. When compiler encounter this assignment statement, what is going on? What is going on here? As usual, compiler will recognize cast operator provided data type. Cast operator provided data type, that is byte here in this example, byte. Cast operator provided data type and left side variable data type. Left side variable data type. Compiler will recognize cast operator provided data type and a left side variable data type. After that, compiler will check whether cast operator provided data type is compatible. Compiler will check whether cast operator provided data type is compatible with left side variable data type or not. Left side variable data type or not. Compiler will check whether cast operator provided data type is compatible with the left side variable data type or not. That will be checked by compiler. Okay, fine. For example, if the cast operator provided data type is not compatible with left side variable data type, then compiler will raise an error. Which error can know? Similar error. Possible loss of precision or incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from X data type to Y data type can know. That error like which one can know? In Java 6 and Java 7 version care, possible loss of precision, error care we are able to get possible loss of precision or incompatible types, colon, possible lossy conversion from which type to which one can know? Incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from which type no? Into type to, or else might be into type to some other type here. That means X data type to XXX type to YYY data type. This type of error here we are able to get directly. This is what exactly the meaning of which one can error here we are getting. For example, fourth point is which one? If the cast operator provided data type, data type is compatible with left side variable data type. If the cast operator provided data type is compatible with the left side variable data type, then compiler will not raise any error and compiler will not perform any typecasting. Why? Because what is the reason here? Why compiler is not performing typecasting here in this case? No. The reason is which one? In Java, compiler is responsible for type checking only. Compiler is responsible for type checking only. Compiler is not responsible for typecasting. Okay, who is responsible for typecasting? No, JVM is responsible for typecasting. Right, sir. We are going to see this point later on here. Anyway, so compiler will check whether right side, that means cast operator provided data type is compatible with the left side variable data type or not. If it is compatible, no error. At the same time, no typecasting by compiler. If it is not compatible, definitely compilation error here we are getting. It's okay, fine. Good, sir. Now, when we execute this program, what execution? When we perform execution, what JVM will perform the actions clearly. What JVM is able to perform the actions here in this case now. Right, sir. Answers are very clear. Understand this clearly. Right, sir. JVM will convert right side variable data type to cast operator provided data type at right side only. So right side only we are performing right side variable data type to cast operator provided data type. Observe carefully. Here I variable is available. This I variable type is converted to cast operator provided data type. That means I is converted to byte only, not to left side. I is converted to byte only. That means at right side only, right side variable type is integer. Int will be converted to which one? Byte only. So at right side only casting we performed. Means that this is nothing but which one? Explicitly. Right side, only right side, not from right to left. Only right side variable is converted to which one? No, cast operator provided data type. So this type of typecasting is called as which one? No, explicit typecasting. So at right side only typecasting is performed. Okay? So this type of typecasting is called as which one? Explicit typecasting. Observe carefully. So JVM will convert right side variable data type to cast operator provided data type at right side only. So this type of typecasting is called as which one? Explicit typecasting. This type of typecasting is called as which one? Explicit typecasting. And second action is which one? What JVM is performing second action? Second action will be very clear. After that, JVM will copy the value from right side variable to JVM will copy the value from right side variable to left side variable. JVM will copy the value from right side variable to left side variable. JVM will copy the value from right side variable to left side variable. So typecasting will be performed at right side. That is nothing but explicit typecasting. Second one is which one can know? Then copy the value from right side variable to left side variable. This is what exactly the meaning of which one can know? Explicit typecasting, and what is going on internally when we perform explicit typecasting. So right sir. Now observe this clearly. What exactly the points here are given there clearly now. Right sir. First of all, I give in definition for explicit typecasting. The process of converting data from higher data type to lower data type is called as explicit typecasting. To perform explicit typecasting, Java has provided a pattern. What exactly the pattern here? P small a is equal to bracket Q and B, where B variable is of type, B variable of higher type, B variable type is a higher type, and A variable type is which one? Lower data type here. It's okay. Where Q must be either same as P or lower than P as per implicit typecasting chart. Example I have given there. So int I is equal to 10, byte B is equal to bracket byte I. Here bracket and data type is nothing but which one can know? Cast operator. It's okay, fine. When we compile this piece of code, what is going on? Compiler will perform some actions. First of all, compiler will recognize right side variable data type and left, that means cast operator provided data type and variable data type. Right sir. Next one is which one? Compiler will check right side variable data type and left side variable data type. Compiler will check whether cast operator provided data type is compatible with left side variable data type or not. If the cast operator provided data type is not compatible with left side variable data type, then compiler will raise an error like possible loss of precision or incompatible types. Possible lossy conversion from XXX type to YYY type here. If the cast operator provided data type is compatible with left side variable data type, then compiler will not raise any error and compiler will not perform any typecasting. Why? Because in Java, compiler is responsible for type checking only, not for typecasting. Compiler is not responsible for typecasting. JVM is responsible for typecasting. When we execute the program, JVM will perform two actions here. One is JVM will convert right side variable data type to cast operator provided data type at right side only. That is explicit typecasting, and JVM will copy the value from right side variable to left side variable directly. This is what exactly the meaning of which one can know? Explicit typecasting.